8 hearty Sunday dinners to satisfy your soul. Hey there dear people, welcome back to my channel. Craving those comforting Sunday dinners that bring the family together? Let's dive into 15 irresistible recipes that'll make your Sundays unforgettable. 1. Roast chicken with garlic and herbs. Roast chicken with garlic and herbs is a classic Sunday supper dish that blends simplicity and rich ingredients. A whole chicken is seasoned with garlic, fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme, and a pinch of lemon zest. Roasting the chicken in the oven produces golden, crispy skin and juicy, soft flesh. This recipe is ideal for family gatherings, since it provides a cozy and fulfilling supper. Pair it with roasted veggies or mashed potatoes to round off the dish. Its simplicity of preparation and superb results make it a popular option for Sunday meals. 2. Chicken pot pie. Chicken pot pie is a classic comfort meal that will add warmth and happiness to any Sunday dinner table. Tender pieces of chicken, carrots, peas, and celery are wrapped in a creamy, savory sauce and baked in a flaky, golden pastry crust. Baking the pie until the crust is ideally crisp and the filling is bubbling results in a rich and satisfying meal. It's an excellent way to use up leftover chicken and veggies, converting them into a hearty supper that the entire family will enjoy. Serve with a side salad to complete the meal. 3. Beef braciole. Beef braciole is an Italian-American dish that enhances Sunday dinners with its rich tastes and soft texture. Thin slices of beef are coated in a flavorful combination of breadcrumbs, garlic, herbs, and cheese, then cooked in a tomato sauce until fork tender. The lengthy cooking method allows the flavors to blend harmoniously, yielding a hearty and fulfilling dinner. Beef braciole is traditionally served with spaghetti or crusty bread and is ideal for special occasions or a hearty family supper. Its richness of flavor and rustic appeal make it an excellent choice for Sunday dinners. 4. Stuffed shells with spinach and ricotta. Stuffed shells with spinach and ricotta is a delicious vegetarian dish that is not short on flavor. Jumbo pasta shells are filled with a creamy blend of ricotta cheese, spinach, and Italian spices, then baked in marinara sauce and topped with melted mozzarella. The mix of textures, from the soft pasta to the creamy filling and acidic sauce, results in a delightful dish that is both warm and nourishing. It's a great option for meatless Sundays or when you want a substantial, cheesy supper. Serve with garlic bread and a green salad for a full supper. 5. Sunday one-pot beef stew. Sunday one-pot beef stew is the ultimate comfort dish, ideal for a relaxing Sunday evening. Chunks of beef are browned and then boiled with a mix of root vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, and parsnips, as well as onions and garlic, in a rich broth. The lengthy cooking method allows the flavors to fully emerge, yielding a substantial and rich stew. It's a one-pot wonder that's simple to make and clean up, making it great for a laid-back Sunday dinner. Serve with toasted bread to mop up the tasty broth. 6. Lamb shepherd's pie. Lamb shepherd's pie is a savory take on the traditional shepherd's pie, with soft ground lamb cooked with veggies and topped with creamy mashed potatoes. The lamb is sautéed with onions, carrots, and peas, then cooked in delicious sauce before being topped with mashed potatoes and baked until golden. The combination of meaty lamb and creamy potatoes creates a cozy and fulfilling supper. It's an excellent way to enjoy lamb in a rich, comforting meal ideal for Sunday evenings. Serve alongside green beans or a fresh salad. 7. Golumpki, Polish stuffed cabbage. Golumpki, or Polish stuffed cabbage, is a classic dish that adds warmth and heartiness to Sunday feasts. Blanched cabbage leaves are filled with ground pork, rice, and spices, wrapped up, and cooked in a tomato-based sauce. The lengthy cooking method allows the flavors to combine, resulting in a warm and tasty supper. Golumpki is frequently served at festive events and family gatherings, making it an excellent choice for a memorable Sunday meal. Pair it with mashed potatoes or crusty bread to round off the meal. en.wikipedia.org. 8. Chicken Tikka Masala. Chicken Tikka Masala is a popular meal that will add powerful tastes and fragrant spices to your Sunday dinner table. Boneless chicken pieces are marinated in yogurt and spices before grilling or baking until blackened. The chicken is then cooked in a thick, creamy tomato sauce seasoned with cumin, coriander, and garam masala. The outcome is a delicious and comforting meal that pairs well with basmati rice or naan bread. Chicken Tikka Masala has a delicious balance of spice and creaminess, making it a favorite among people who prefer robust, spicy tastes. Final words. These 8 hearty and homely Sunday meals have a range of tastes and cuisines to suit any taste. From traditional comfort meals to daring cosmopolitan cuisines, each meal adds warmth and delight to your Sunday table. Whether you're cooking for family or guests, these dishes will ensure a great meal experience. So, what meal are you most excited to try? Please share your favorite in the comments below.